Now let's move to the geometric progression. Geometric progression. So in any of the progression, maybe it is AP, GP or HP, you need to know the general term and its sum. General term and its sum. That's it. Only these two things we require to answer the questions easily. Okay, general term and the sum. Okay. Now give me one simple example of GP. And GP means what? We have a common ratio. We have a common ratio, which is R. What is the best example of GP we can give is 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000. Is this okay? What is the common difference? 1000 by 100 is 10. 100 by 10 is 10 and 10 by 1 is 10. See how I am still counting, how I am still calculating the common ratio R. So R is nothing but Tn plus 1 upon Tn, means the next term upon the previous term, the fourth term upon third term upon second term upon first term. If you do the calculations in this direction, jindagi jand hogi, huh? Everything will go in wrong way. So don't calculate in the in this fashion. Don't calculate in this fashion. The ratio is, it should be the next term divided by previous term. Okay. Now as we all know, the first term of any progression we denote it by A. We denote it by A. So in this progression, okay, 1 comma 10 comma 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000 comma 10,000 we will take. You know the first number A is 1, and what is the common ratio you have said? It's a, is, what is the common ratio?
10.
It is 10. Now I want to express this given GP, I want to express this given GP in A and R only, in A and R. So how you can write this 1? How you can write this 1? This is nothing but A into R to the power 0. A is how much? It's 1. 1 into R is 10, 10 to the power 0. So how much it is? 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 only. This 10 can also be written as A into R. A is 1 and R is 10, so it becomes 1. Are you getting the point?
Yes,
So this 100, how you will write 100? It is A into R square. So A is 1, R is 10, uska square, which is nothing but 100. So ये 10 हो गया. Okay, thank you. ये 100 हो. How you will write AR? Sorry, 1000. It is nothing but AR cube. So it is 1 into 10 का cube, which is nothing but 1000. And this will be AR4, which is 1 into 10 to the power 4. ये becomes 10,000. Things stop, sir. If A is the first term and R is the 10th term, sorry, if R is equals to 10, this becomes T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. For first term, R power is 0, second R power 1, third term R power 2, fourth term R power 3, fifth term R power 4, and the pattern remains same, AR. Now if I ask you in this sequence, what is the T10th number? In this sequence, what is the T10th number?
A into R raised to 9.
Excellent. It will be AR to the power 9. If I ask you T27th term in this, AR to the power 26, यहाँ पे जितना भी हो उससे एक से कम करना है आपका R का पावर. That's it. This is the only trick. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So I can write the general term of an AP. The general term of an AP, Tn is equals to A R to the power how much I should write? If n is there, then R power will be out. It's a
N minus 1.
it will be n minus 1. So this is what the general term of an AP. Of, sorry, not AP, it should be GP. Okay. So as I told you, the general term and the sum, these are the only two things you require to know. Now let's move to the sum of a given GP, sum of given GP. अभी sum देखो क्या होता है. We will take the same example. 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So what is the common ratio here is? Common ratio is nothing but 10. See, whenever you have the common ratio 10, which is of course greater than 1, the common ratio is 10 and it is greater than 1, that time the sum of the first n terms of a GP is equals to a into r raised to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is what the sum is. Okay, we will cross verify this. See, how many terms we have in this? 4 terms I am considering. So I will write S4 here, which is equals to a. What is a value? This is 1. R to the power n. What is r we have taken is 10. N we have taken is 4 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1, which is nothing but how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1, which is nothing but 9. So ये कितना आ गया ये? 9 10,000 minus 9 minus divided by 9, which is nothing but 1111. Is this okay? What is the addition of these things? What is the addition of this? If you do calculations orally, what is the addition here is? 1000, 100, 10 and 1. What is the addition? Orally, it is nothing but 1. See here, if you do addition orally or if you go with the formula, both the answers are same. Means what? The formula we have written is absolutely correct and it is applicable for any n. Okay, if I ask you what is the addition of this GP, what is the addition of this GP till maybe suppose 100 terms, so your n becomes 100 that time. So S100 is equals to 1 into 10 to the power 100 minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. I will take one more example. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the addition of first 5 terms of this GP? S5 is equals to how much? It is 2. Okay, I will write the first formula. A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, which is equals to 2 into, what is r in this case?
2.
R is 2. 2 to the power 5 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 2 into 2 to the power 5 is nothing but 32. 32 minus 1 is 31 upon 1. कितना आ गया ये? 62. देखो इसका एडिशन करके देखो कितना आ रहा है. ये 4 and 2 6.
62 आ रहा है इसमें.
ये 16 and ये. Okay, so this addition is still 62. Means the formula is absolutely correct when your r is greater than 1. This condition is very important, when r is greater than 1. Okay, I will write the formula here. So Sn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. It's very simple formula. I will tell you how to remember this formula. So when mod of r is greater than 1. Maybe you have the GP like this also. See, the GP is 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. Now this time, what is the sum of the given GP? Now this time if you see, what is the r value? What is the r value in this case?
1 by 10.
R is 1 by 10 and which is less than 1. Is this okay? This r, which is nothing but the 0.1, is less than 1, no? So whenever r is less than 1, your sum formula just changes by the sign. Your sum formula just changes by the sign. So it is a. So instead of r raised to n minus 1, I will have 1 minus r raised to n divided by r minus 1. Instead of, you will write 1 minus r. That's it. Everything will remain same. So what I have done is, whenever r is less than 1, you should subtract r from 1. See, only thing you have to remember is that whatever is the sum, that sum I am going to get as an in the numerator as well denominator the same sign. r 1 से छोटा है तो I have subtracted r from 1. यहाँ पे r बड़ा था तो I have subtracted 1 from r. Are you getting the difference between these two?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So give me the answer. So a is what? It's 1 here into 1 minus r to the power n. So which is 1 by 10 to the power. How much we are considering? As 4 we are calculating. Okay. So it is nothing but 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. So whatever may be the calculations, you can proceed with these calculations. Definitely इतने बड़े calculation का example अपने exam में नहीं आएगा. So only thing you require is this form. Whenever r is less than 1, what happens? My sign changes. That's it. Okay. Now let's see the next question. So ये दोनों थे ना, these two examples which I have taken here is both were the finite series, because I have considered only first 4 terms. Here also I have considered first 5 terms. Here I have considered the first 4 terms. So this becomes the finite series. Now we have the sum to the infinite also. Sum to the infinite series. It is again very simple. I will tell you with the example. 1 comma 1 by 10 comma 1 by 100 comma, okay, we will keep this. Can you orally calculate this? So this is nothing but 1 comma 0.1 comma 0.01. What is the addition of these things? What is the addition?
1.11.
ये प्लस प्लस अगर प्लस कर दो, so it is 1.11. okay, बरोबर है ना, 1.11. Now if I add one more thing to this, if I add one more 1 comma 01 comma 0.001 0.1 comma 0.001, now what is the addition? 1.111. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what I mean to say here is that if I proceed writing these things, कंटिन्यू अगर करूँगा मैं इसको, मतलब 1 कॉमा 1 बाई 10 कॉमा 1 बाई 100 कॉमा 1 बाई 1000 कॉमा 1 बाई 10,000 कॉमा 1 बाई 10 raised to power 5 and so on and so forth. Tell me, what is the value of these things? What is the value of these things I am taking? These are approximately 0. See here, 0.001, then you will get 0.0001, then you will get 0.00001. So which are nothing but they are approximately equals to 0. And if you see the sum also, it is not getting affected that much. So only thing which are significant to this are first few terms which are very significant. Means addition of all these terms is just making your calculations very difficult. So why not to discard all these things? Are you getting the point? It is it is not that much significant just by adding approximately 0 values. Tell me, यहाँ पे 1 by 10 आएगा, 1 by 10 raised to power 4 आएगा. Maybe you will get 1 by 10 raised to power 10. How much this value is? 1 by 10 raised to power 10 means what? It is approximately 0 only. So 0 adding to any number will be 0 itself. So whenever you have this GP in the infinite terms where r is less than 1, sorry, where r is less than 1, so r is less than 1 and infinite series, where r is less than 1 and we have the infinite series. Of course your r is what? It's a 0.1 here and it is in the infinite series. So in that case what will be the sum? The sum is very simple. It is nothing but a upon 1 minus r. This is what the sum is. A upon 1 minus r. So if I consider this infinite series 1 upon 1 comma 1 by 10 1 by 100, what is a is? A is 1 minus what is r is? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 which is nothing but 1 upon 9 by 10 which is nothing but 10 by 9. So how much it is? 1.1111. See here, what I am getting here is 1.1111. You are getting the same thing, 1.11. ये continue रहेगा by 1.111. See, I have discarded all the higher terms of the GP. Still, I am getting the same answer. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
ये वाला
Yes,
part
sir.
और ये वाला part both same. So only thing you have to remember in this infinite sum is that higher powers are approximately equals to 0. So that's why we have discarded. That's why the sum is coming like this, 1 up a upon 1 minus r. I will prove this formula here. A upon 1 minus r. So this was the formula for when r is less than 1 for the finite. Now tell me, if r is r to the power n, this r is less than 1 and इसका highest power अगर लेंगे तो it is approximately equals to 0 only. Are you getting the point? It is approximately equals to 0. That's why we are discarding this 1 upon 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So answer becomes a by 1 minus r. Okay. Can you tell me what is the sum to the infinite terms when r is greater than 1?
So this would not be possible.
Of course. So if you take the question like this 1 comma 10 comma 100 comma 1000, क्या भाई सम क्या मिल रहा है आपको? इनफाइनाइट टर्म्स आई एम सेइंग, सो इट इज इनफाइनाइट ओनली. ओके, सो समरी is, see, in this way we are writing when r is greater than 1 and when r is less than 1. r is greater than 1 and r is less than 1. Don't means रट्टा नहीं मारना है, just observe these things. Finite series and infinite series. So Sn is equals to a r raised to power n minus 1 अपॉन r माइनस 1 एंड यहाँ पे रहेगा आपका a जस्ट उल्टा ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस 1 माइनस r raised to n अपॉन 1 माइनस r. If we have the sequence which is infinite and r is greater than 1, what is the sum? Sn is equals to how much? It is infinite because r is greater than 1. मतलब numbers are still getting increased as we proceed. Are you getting the point? नंबर आर ग्रेटर देन 1 है, मतलब क्या है, नेक्स्ट नंबर इज मच मच ग्रेटर देन द प्रीवियस वन. सो उनका सबका एडिशन इज गोइंग टू बी इनफाइनाइट ओनली. बट व्हेन आर इज लेस देन 1, द नंबर्स, द नेक्स्ट नंबर्स आर डेफिनेटली लेस देन द प्रीवियस वन. सो योर सम इज व्हाट? इट इज a अपॉन 1 माइनस r only. Is this okay? Any doubt in this case?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So that's it. This is the your geometric progression. So only thing you have to remember in, so ये वाला एक पार्ट याद रखो, and the general term you remember, which is nothing but Tn is equals to a r raised to power n minus 1. Okay, it's good to have all these concepts with you, but of course for the questions, means the actual questions, if we see in the NDA, these questions, these concepts require very less frequently. Okay, we have other methods to solve those questions. We will see that methods also. इसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सर ये सब छोड़ दूँ क्या मैं, नहीं, ये सब छोड़ो मत. दिस also require for us for the calculations. Okay.